Hi guys, welcome back to Tena sewing class. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Also hit the bell icon and click on all so you're notified when we have new videos uploaded. Now, I'd also like for you to go ahead and check out our introduction video. Take a look at the sewing supplies so you have an idea of what you will need. And also check out videos 1 and 2. Those are lessons 1 and 2. We're at lesson 3 today. And I'm doing a video on all that you need to know before you actually start sewing. So that video will be out in a couple of days, so you want to look out for that as well. Now, as you know, guys, threading the needle is not the only basic step that takes practice. Everything in sewing is practice, practice, and practice when you're new at it. And also be patient. Don't worry about making mistake. Don't worry about rushing things through. Just take your time and learn the art. It is an art and it takes time to perfect. So don't forget these foundational tips that will get you through and get you sewing like a pro. Now, in today's lesson, you will learn how to tie a knot in the end of your thread. Lesson 2, actually, we went over threading your needle. So you have that down packed. Those of you who have not seen that yet, go ahead and check that out. Today we're tying the knot at the end of the needle. And I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. Practice and keep the one that works best for you. Beautiful. There's your knot. So you want to practice this over and over again until you feel comfortable or till it gets easy. That's the point. Just do it until it gets easy. Once it gets easy, you know you master that tip. And I know some, if you've been saying that, when are we going to be actually sewing? Already, our next class, you're actually going to be sewing on fabric. So take a look at the end of the video here. Take a look at the supplies that you're going to need. Come ready once you get yourself together and what you need, ready to learn something new for those of you who have never sewn before. And if you have a little experience sewing, this will be refresher for you. All right. Now, trying a knot is something important to learn, as you will also use it for adding the finishing touches to your projects, believe it or not, because at some point you're going to learn to hem, you're going to learn to, like, there are times when you sew, say for example, two ribbons together or two seams that kind of buck a certain way. You'll see as we go ahead along, and you're going to need a needle and thread to kind of stitch that in together so it's beautiful. There are times too, for those of you who want to make this into a business, where you're going to have a customer that wants hand sewn, different things to be hand sewn. You want to learn how to perfect hand sewing. It's beautiful when it's done right. So guys, thanks for being here today on this video, and leave your comments below. If you have questions, go ahead. If this video helps in any way, go ahead and give us a like and a thumbs up or like. And see you in the next video. Lesson 4. Ciao. Ciao, ciao.